My name is Sam. I hope you're all doing good. I have a channel name Faraway 2013 where I post lifestyle videos such as recipes, shopping, etc. Here I am going to be sharing a recipe, baked chicken recipe. It's seasoned with this spice mix. It's called chicken tikka masala, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to marinate. There's about 6 chicken thigh pieces here that I have. I have taken for about 6 pieces of chicken thighs, and they are like about, I say, this big. Okay. For this, I have taken about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and about half of the red chicken, half of the onion, red onion. And there is about 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. And there is about little, like 1/4 of the size of this box. I say about 5 tablespoons of this spice mix. And it's really, really spicy. So you might want to adjust the quantity per your taste. Then I have half tablespoon of oil. You can take any type of oil, and just I say regular oil, not coconut or anything like that, or any type of oil where there is flavor in it. Or you can just add ghee, 1 tablespoon. Then I have taken half of the lemon or lime, and you can use lemon or lime juice. So I'm going to start with the recipe. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to just break holes in the chicken pieces. So this way, I'm sorry, I'm using one hand, and of course my hand is clean and washed. So it's clean. I'm going like this, poking my chicken pieces. So when I put the spice mixture in, it goes all the way into my chicken and it marinates really, really well. I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna do this method. Or you can just slash it with a knife too. That's gonna work as well. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands. So here I have squeezed about 2 half wedges of lime into my chicken, and I have marinated the chicken with my lime juice. You can also use store-bought. It comes in, it's like processed lime juice, and you can buy it already. It comes in a container. I'm not quite sure what to call it, but you can get it at store. But I like to use fresh lemon just because it's more flavorful and it's more strong. So anyway, it's marinated. My chicken is marinated with my lime juice. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna mix all my other spices. I have already added the oil in there. And again, there's yogurt, there is chicken tikka masala right here that I have used. And you can adjust the quantity per the amount of chicken and per your spice level that you like. And then there is ginger, garlic, and onion paste in that. So very basic ingredients, nothing fancy. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. I'm sorry, I'm using one hand again because I'm holding my phone in my other hand. So I'm gonna just mix it real quick with my both hands and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and this is what it looks like. It's a thick paste. I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use more oil. Let me get the other oil bottle. See, about this much. So about 1 tablespoon of salt, I say it's going to be the quantity. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my hand. And again, it's clean and washed and everything. And like I said, I poked holes in the onion just so it absorbs the spice mixture really well. Here I go. Gonna just add chicken pieces in there. And this recipe is good for one person. I'm gonna actually eat it in 2 settings, or 1 depending on what else I'm eating it with. I like more spices. I like the quantity of a spice more, so that's why I have used this much. That's why my mixture is a lot more, because I like it more spices dripping once the chicken is baked. So I'm going to go ahead and go in and give my chicken a good bath in the spice mix. Here's what my chicken looks like after I gave it a good bath in the spice mix. You can get the spice mix from any Pakistani Indian stores. It's very cheap. It's about $1 or $2 for 1 box, and you can use 1 box for 2 to 3 settings depending on the amount of chicken or meat that you are using. If you don't want to use the spice mix, you can definitely just add red pepper or black pepper, any type of seasoning that you like, salt, but don't skip adding the ginger, garlic, onion paste, oil, and also lemon or lime juice. Don't skip that, because that will give most of the flavor to your meat. And also the oil, obviously, for baking. You need to use the oil for the baking. What else? I haven't used the salt in this because the spice mix already has the salt. All right, I'm gonna let it marinate for about 3 to 4 hours. It's recommended to marinate this overnight and bake it the next day. But since it's my tonight's dinner, so I'm just gonna, let it sit for 3 to 4 hours. All right, so I greased a pan about this size. I'm not sure of the exact measurements, but I'm packing all my chicken in, my marinated chicken, like this. And I'm going to pour all this mixture into the baking pan as well. Okay, I'm going to put my chicken into the oven at 425 for about 30 to 40 minutes. Check it out, it's all done. So I set it at 35 minutes, right? I took it out and it wasn't done, so I had to add another 15 minutes. So it took about at least 50 minutes for this to cook through. It's all done. this is the final result. You can serve it with rice or some salad, lime wedges. Hope you try my recipe, and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you like the recipe or you try it, leave a comment below. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.